if you're facing verification issues with your Apple ID after multiple failed attempts, follow these steps to resolve the problem and regain access to your account. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection. A poor connection can lead to failed verification attempts. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data or restarting your router if necessary. Step 2. Reset your password. Visit the Apple ID account page and select Forgot Apple ID or Password. Follow the prompts to reset your password. Make sure to create a strong password that meets Apple's security requirements. Step 3. Verify your identity. After resetting your password, you may need to verify your identity. This could involve answering security questions or receiving a verification code via email or SMS. Follow the instructions provided to complete this process. Step 4. Update your device. Ensure that your device is running the latest version of iOS or macOS. Go to Settings, General Software Update to check for updates. Installing the latest software can resolve compatibility issues that may affect verification. Step 5. Contact Apple Support. If you are still experiencing issues after following the previous steps, reach out to Apple Support for assistance. You can do this through the Apple Support app, their website, or by calling their support line. Provide them with details of the problem for quicker resolution. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any verification issues with your Apple ID. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek further help from Apple Support.